In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a professional contact form using Happyforms. Whether you're a blogger, small business owner, or freelancer, having a functional and visually appealing contact form is essential for your website. So let's dive right in. Before anything else, the first step is to install and activate the Happyforms plugin on your WordPress website. You can find Happyforms in the WordPress plugin repository, or you can search it in your WordPress dashboard plugins, then click Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new menu item called Forms in your WordPress dashboard. Next, click on Forms in your dashboard and then click Add New to create a new form. You can give your form a name and choose various fields that suit your needs. For example, you can use a text field for name inputs and email fields in order for you to connect with your customers. Happyforms also offers various templates for different types of forms, including contact forms, feedback forms, and more. You can check it out on our website. Now it's time to customize your form. You can add and remove fields, rearrange their order, and edit the labels to match your website's branding. Let's try manipulating our text field. You can add labels, a placeholder, and pre-fills. You can also limit how many times an answer is submitted and change if it's required or optional. You can also alter its width to half, third, and quarter, or even auto depending on your preference. An option for additional CSS for a more advanced customization. The same goes with our email field, but only you can input emails. Now, with our phone field, you are able to manipulate its number format, may it be local or international. After customizing your form, there are additional tabs like Setup, Emails, and Messages where you can configure additional options such as email notifications, success messages, and integrations. Make sure to set up the email notifications so that you receive messages from your contact form directly in your inbox. Once you're happy with your form's design and settings, go back to your WordPress dashboard and click on the Forms tab. From there, you can locate the shortcode of your form. After that, you are now able to paste this code into any post, page, or widget area on your website to display your contact form. Before publishing your form, it's important to test it to ensure everything is working correctly. Fill out the form and submit a test message to see if you receive the email notification and if the form functions as expected on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully created a professional contact form using Happyforms. Now your website visitors can easily get in touch with you, helping you to build relationships and grow your online presence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. See you next time.